Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Today I want to make a video about something that I learnt recently at work, and I want to share with you guys. It's basically how to rip a DVD. And first off, let's just discuss why do we need to why would you want to rip a DVD for those who don't know and are watching this video. Basically, when a DVD, some certain DVDs, for example, when they're a video or like a movie DVD, when you look at them, uh, they're divided into two folders. For example, here I have one DVD here. It's Stuart Little 3. It's a very old movie, but um, so this DVD I have it in ISO form, and when you look at it, it's just these two folders: video underscore ts and audio underscore ts. If you look at the video folder, there's no common format. There's no. It's not a MP4. It's not a WMV. It's not a regular movie file that you're used to playing, like to play on your on your media player, on your media server. These aren't file. This isn't. It's not just one file that you can just drag and take around everywhere. So when you rip a DVD, basically what you're doing is you're putting all this together and you're just making one file out of it, one video file, and then that video file you can, you know, put onto your media server or wherever you want to put it onto. You can put it on. So this is something that it's not. I'm not showing this for people who wanna you know, go ahead and start ripping movies, but this is just a technique that's called ripping DVDs. I'm just showing you guys how to do it. So we're gonna use a program, a really powerful program. It's called Handbrake. You can actually do a lot with this program, but for today I'm showing you how to rip a DVD. So we're just gonna open up our web browser over here, and then from here, from Google, we're just gonna type. We're gonna go to download.com. If you guys know that, normally whenever I download my software, I try to go to download.com because it's more of a well-known source to download files. I don't like going to certain specific websites to download files, just in case they're not safe. Sometimes it might be some hackers website, but download.com are tested software, and you know people have downloaded it. So the software is called Handbrake, and we're just gonna go type in Handbrake over here in the search box, and you'll see here it's one of the first programs here. So we'll just click on download, and I know this is safe. You can see there's a lot of downloads, a lot of reviews on it too, and the program should start downloading. And once it's done downloading, we'll just click on it to run. Click yes, and for me it already says Handbrake is installed. Click OK to remove the previous version, or cancel to continue. I'll just click OK for now. Yeah, I'll remove it. Okay. So for you, when you click, when you run the file that you just downloaded, this is what's going to show up. So we'll click next, then we'll click I agree. Then you can select where you want to install it. By default, this is a good location in your program files. You'll click install, and this is great because it's a free program, and it's not like malware. It's not like adware where it tells you to install all these extra things. So just click finish, and you're done. And then now you should have Handbrake installed on your computer. So you should have this icon on your desktop. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna double click on it to run Handbrake, and it should open up. So here you can see it's opened up, and from here, now when you're actually starting to rip the DVD, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click source, then you want to go to open file. Here you want to go and actually find the file, the DVD that you want to rip. For example, if you have it in your DVD drive, you can go and select your DVD drive. I have it in an ISO, so I will select Stuart Little, click OK. It's gonna scan it. It might take a while depending on your DVD, and once it scans, you'll see that here it'll say the source. It'll say the name of whatever DVD you put in. And here in the title drop down here, what you want to do is you want to click it, and you want to select which one you want to select. Your main, the longest one, the one that's here. It says 1 hour 12 minutes and 13 seconds. This is the actual video file that I want. these extra things might be extra videos as part of that DVD, intros, uh, bloopers, all that stuff. So you want to just select the movie. We just want the movie. So we'll click on that. After that, you want to just click Browse. This is to select the destination where you want to save the file. So I will save the file here on my desktop as well. So I'll just call this Stuart Little 3. Okay, and then you can select whether you want to save it as MP4 or MKV. MP4 is a great format. It's common with everything pretty much. Almost all devices play MP4. So you can click Save. And one last thing is we just want to click large file size here, and then now we're done. We just have to click Start. You can go through all these settings if you want, but there's really not much we can change. Not much you need to change. By default, you're good to go. If you know exactly what you're doing, what you want to change over here, the audio formats, etc., you can go ahead and do that. But for now, you don't have to do anything. Just click Start, and it will start ripping the DVD. So remember at the beginning when we looked at the DVD, it was just all this, you know, we don't know what this is. This is all different kinds of files that we're not really sure, but it's part of the DVD and the DVD works. But we want just one video file, which is the DVD movie that we want. So it's just ripping. You'll see here it says, you know, the time it's taking, how the percentage that's done, and time remaining. So it says about 6 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, and I will be back when it's done loading. Hey guys, so it's almost done finishing the ripping. So here's at 99%, 100, and soon it should say there, Q finished. So it's finished. So now pretty much what we have here is one video file. You can see here it says Stuart Little 3.mp4. So this is the one video file that we wanted, and basically what we did is we the video ripping, DVD ripping, it took everything in this DVD, like pretty much all these files, or the video file that we wanted, and it just turned it into one MP4. So it's way easier. So that's what DVD ripping is, and that's pretty much how we did it. We used a program called Handbreak. It's a very simple to use program. There's a lot of complex features on there, but it's by default. We didn't really have to use anything else. That's all we had to do, and it's free. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped you guys out. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and definitely give a thumbs up, like for this video. Thanks guys, and take care.